Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be preparing this base color for a larger mandala artwork. Especially, I'll be painting a 24-inch canvas and I will show you how I mix and store my base paint for a project of this scale. You might have already seen the 6-inch mandala, the tortoise and the coaster. I created using this nature inspired color palette, and I have even finished a butterfly design using it. I have fallen in love with this color scheme. Since the 24-inch canvas is quite large and takes time to complete, it's important to prepare and store a good quality of base paint. I am using a reusable jar. I've got it from Amazon to store the color. For the color, I'm going with a bluish green tone, which I will mix using Desert Turquoise and Festive Green. I used about 60% turquoise and 40% green, but you can adjust the ratio depending on whether you want it more blue or more green. I'm trying to recreate a shade I have used it in my previous piece. Once the initial mix is done, I notice it is a bit dark, so I'm lightening it by adding some titanium white. Adjusting the shade is all about how you feel, how you want it to feel. There's no fixed formula here. I test the mix by placing a dot next to the original color and comparing them. If it is leaning too blue, I add a little green. If it is too green, I add a touch of blue. In this case, I added a small amount of calypso blue to reach the right balance. Remember, color mixing is very intuitive. It's about what looks right to your eyes and matches the feeling you want to express. Once I'm happy with the color, I make sure to store it in a jar. This is very useful for touch up or if I make any mistake while painting. You don't want to run out mid project. Also, always mix your paint in small batches. Large amount may dry out before you use them. So, it's better to mix as needed and recreate if necessary. For that slight glossy finish, I mix a gloss varnish, around 10% varnish to 90% paint. This gives the base a beautiful even sheen once it dries. And that's it, my complete process of recreating and storing a custom base color for a large mandala project. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you enjoyed it, please share it and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Also check out my butterfly and coaster design if you haven't already, and stay tuned because up next I'll be sharing a real-time video of my turtle mandala which you can create along with me. Thank you for watching.